Aria, we have a space mission on hold. Blue Origin's ambitious launch of its New Glenn rocket, carrying NASA's twin Mars probes, has been postponed due to unfavorable weather conditions. The launch was originally scheduled for Sunday, November 9th, but Mother Nature had other plans, specifically, the cumulus cloud rule. This delay comes at a critical time, just before new federal restrictions on commercial spaceflights were set to take effect. "We came down to the wire and then, there you have it," said Blue Origin spokesperson Tabitha Lipkin. Now, Blue Origin faces the challenge of navigating the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to secure an exception to proceed with the launch. The backup launch dates for the ESCAPADE mission are November 10th and 11th. But, the FAA announced an indefinite halt to all commercial launches during daytime hours to ease workloads on air traffic controllers working without pay during the government shutdown. "We are working really closely with both our partners at the FAA and with the NASA team to ensure that we're, of course, honoring and respecting the airspace expectations there and the safety requirements, while at the same time meeting the objectives that NASA and the Blue Origin have for this mission," said Laura McGinnis, Blue Origin's Vice President for New Glenn Mission Management. Blue Origin has secured backup dates on the SLD-45 range, and is working with NASA and FAA partners on launching as soon as possible. The ESCAPADE mission, short for Escape and Plasma Acceleration and Dynamics Explorers, is NASA's first mission to Mars in 5 years and has been delayed since October 2024. This mission, built by Rocket Lab, aims to study how the solar wind and space weather have stripped Mars of its atmosphere. But here's where it gets controversial: the mission, which cost less than $80 million, is led by scientists at UC Berkeley. The second stage of the New Glenn rocket will also carry a telemetry communications experiment for Viasat. This launch, designated NG-2, will mark the second flight of the New Glenn rocket. Blue Origin hopes to successfully land the first stage of the 321-foot-tall rocket on a barge in the Atlantic Ocean for reuse. Blue Origin aims to use New Glenn for commercial satellite launches, heavy-lift flights, and potential missions to the Moon with crewed and uncrewed Blue Moon landers. And this is the part most people miss: the impact of government shutdowns on space exploration. What do you think about the potential delays and the impact of the government shutdown on space exploration? Share your thoughts in the comments below.